just happened, if I'm not mistaken, um, right next to Alaska. There's been a bunch of earthquakes and there's been a 7.0 there. On top of that, of course, we have massive stuff going on right now with the sun. There's a lot of things going on right now. I want to welcome everyone. Thank you guys so much for 1,100 subscribers. I got so many videos that I'm gonna be making. I'm gonna be reviewing the last 5+ years of Schumann resonance data. This is something I want to do this month. Of course, we have a lot of things I'm gonna be making videos on. So definitely be staying tuned to those. You know, we'll be making a new moon video. As 3 hours gets closer, we're probably gonna be making more videos on that. We will probably be streaming more around those times. You know, I'm definitely sensing some massive solar activity happening and coming. I do hope everybody's doing good. Yeah, that's like right next to, I'm assuming, Alaska. It's been like so many earthquakes. It's actually crazy. So we're kind of just getting into a bunch of things in today's live stream. So first things first, welcome on everyone. I hope everybody's doing good. I'm so thankful for everyone who's you know, watching the streams and supporting. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. So much content coming, so much to get into, and yes, I got a lot of different videos coming along. So by all means, of course, let's get into this. So, kicking off with the Italian Schumann resonance, we got a couple of big spikes over here, and on top of that, of course, we got some rumbles on the bottom. I'm gonna scroll through all this real quick. Doesn't seem to be anything here. There is no data on this station. Going to the general Schumann resonance, of course, we do have some activity going on right now. As I scroll, we of course do have some integration lines here just about an hour ago, and then of course we have this amount of energy that came in at around hour 7 or so. Nothing too intense, but there is integration energy in usual patterns. There are usual patterns, these integration lines, so something big could be coming in. Going straight to space weather live, we do have high solar winds right now. And if you guys are not aware right now, we do have a lot of sunspots that are facing us. This one, these two, which sort of look and resemble the Carrington event we had in 1859, these two suckers still have strong chances of producing X-class solar flares, as one of them did on December 1st. This just produced an M8, sunspot number 4299. That's pretty intense as it's facing us. There's been a lot of tech issues. I've been hearing people with Starlink have been struggling lately. So there's definitely a lot going on right now with the sun. There hasn't been anything but 2 M-class solar flares the last 24 hours. And of course, the 72-hour max is the M8 1.2. I do hope everybody is doing good. How's everybody doing? I'm so thankful for everyone who's in the stream. There's a lot of sunspots. There's a lot of things going on right now. This one's growing, and again, as they're facing us, I think we feel it a lot more. You know, I feel like satellites get affected even more, not just us as people, but other things. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe. This is the sunspot that had the M-class solar flare. Actually, it's not. It's 4299. Let's go straight to it. So right over here. It's small, but it is definitely growing and whatnot. I do hope everybody's doing good, by the way. We have a lot of sunspots right now in the sun. This one's definitely on the far right. It's not that big of a concern. But then, of course, this one, which is so massive, just take a look at this. Really big sunspot right now. 10% chance of an X class, and still a strong chance for another M class. There doesn't seem to be any coronal holes on the sun. There is actually something that just popped up on the top left. How ironic. This could be something that does come in and definitely makes its way. But again, will this be a coronal hole? I have no idea. The sun is very, very active, as you can see, and there is so much solar activity going on right now. Just got hit with an M8 by one of the sunspots, and it would definitely seem that this could be a coronal hole upcoming. So we'll have to see what happens in the upcoming days. But a lot of sunspots and definitely a lot of activity. Now, as we start to look at some of the other images like this one right here, these are where the sunspots are. They're bright regions right now. So definitely all that looking directly at us. And when we look at the sun with this image, well, it is definitely active, and there is so much bright activity facing us. So an X class solar flare, even an M class like the one we just had, it's pretty intense. So it definitely sucks if you got Starlink, let me tell you. Now, not only that do we have, but we do have, of course, new images for 3i Atlas. Here they are. Here's the first image, second image, and the third image, showing its anti-tail, and of course the sunward tail. Let's break these down. So, I'll pretty much zoom it in over here so you guys can see, or maybe I'll just put it like this if it's doable with my tripod. I think this works. Sort of. Can I zoom in or no? I can. Okay. Alright. So this is images from November 30. And this is 3i Atlas, and this is taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. The left panel, the thing that I showed you, is a 7 by 270 second exposure image. The middle panel is the unsharp mask filter applied to the original image to sharpen its features, and the right panel shows the Larsen filter for detecting rotational gradients in an image. And one of the things you'll see is we have two jets, a clear anti-tail, which is not common with familiar comets. And the sunward direction is pointing towards the upper left corner. So very interesting here. So you will see that this is, definitely something interesting here. And I think in this image, it kind of just makes it look a lot more different, It kind of may not resemble a comet, but it definitely shows the massive coma it has, which is something interesting. And here's another image for, of course, 3i Atlas. Give a good credit to all these people. All right. Keep that down. I got some more stuff as well. I got some brand new stuff, images and whatnot. If you guys didn't see there's a big image, by the way. I don't know if you guys seen it. It's on my most recent video, by the way. But it definitely shows another image as well. I do hope everybody's been good, by the way. Make sure everyone hits the like button and subscribe button. I really appreciate everyone, being here in this stream. I'm super appreciative for everyone, really thankful. We're definitely going to keep people updated, whether it's space weather, whether it's general weather. Well, actually, no, not too much general, but heavy on the space weather, heavy on Schumann resonance, and yes, as of now, 3i Atlas, because this is definitely something that is interesting, and I definitely think More eyes need to be on this. But of course, it's not just welcome to the stream, Cove. It's not just that. Let me refresh real quick. We were there was a big earthquake. I think there's been about, let's take a look. Whoa, about 50 earthquakes near Canada, and one of them happened to be a 7.0. That's insane, by the way. So I'm gonna just show you guys all the earthquake data we have right now. So this is right next to Alaska. This is about what, 30 or 40 earthquakes. This was a, let me see my mouse if you guys can see this. This right here is a 7.0 by the Hubbard Glacier. Where is this place at? Hubbard Glacier. Interesting. What is this? Never even heard of this, but here's where it is basically. It's kind of next to, what is that? Haynes Junction or something like that. And where would this be? This would be like, so Vancouver. What is this? Washington, I'm assuming. Yeah, it's pretty much Washington. And over here is of course Alaska. I don't think there's any close cities here, believe it or not. Yeah, I don't think there's any close cities, but that's where it was. And if you really look in, guys, that's a lot of earthquakes. That's insane. I don't think that's normal. So I don't normally see those there. But then you're probably thinking, what about Alaska? Well, Alaska was definitely hit with a lot of earthquakes as well. We had a 5.1, a 5.0 in Alaska, and I'm from 4.7. So a lot of aftershock. So it's been pretty crazy in Alaska. There has been a significant amount of earthquake activity that's been happening right now, which is insane. Where's my mouse? Dude, what's going on with the website? This is updated? Interesting, okay. We just got to update. Got another 4.4 and a 4.3 and a 3.7. Wow, these just happened. Wow. Okay, so Alaska is getting bombarded. They just got about 10 of them in the last hour, I think. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 12 earthquakes, guys, in Alaska. This just got updated. It is in Yakutat, Alaska. It was a 3.5, 4.6, 3.1, 2.9, a 3.7, another a 3.8, 4, 4.3, 3.7, 4.3, 4.4. Just happened. So Alaska is getting hit with some serious earthquakes right now, about 12 of them in about an hour. And Canada, I don't know, like, I guess it's close to Whitehorse. I never even heard. I mean, these are like weird names, unfamiliar names here. Haynes Junction. There doesn't seem to be much there. It's like in a spot where it's above Washington, right at the tippity bottom, not tippity, but like the bottom left of Canada, and right where Alaska and Canada's border is. 50 earthquakes there, which is insane. A 7.0. Pretty insane if you guys ask me. I don't know if there's anybody there who's watching. That's insane. I do hope everybody's doing good, by the way. Welcome everyone to the stream. As you can tell, a lot of things going on right now. I do hope everybody's doing good. Welcome everyone to the stream. Earthquakes updated again. Wow, it keeps updating. So a lot of earthquakes. I'm seeing new earthquakes. So yeah, still in Alaska. So pretty crazy if you ask me. I'm gonna keep looking for data. I do hope everybody's doing good. I really appreciate everybody who's been, watching, supporting. All right, I think that's about it for all our data. I would say symptoms. I think symptoms is probably good to talk about because I think a lot of people have been feeling some odd symptoms lately. Dizziness, stomach upset, gases, stomach pains. A lot of people have been having some teeth pain. This has been a big one. Those are some of the symptoms going on right now. But again, I feel like there's just so much going on right now. I hope everybody's doing good. Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button. I think we pretty much threw all the information out there. I'm gonna keep everybody up to date as I've been. You made it, Gwen. Gwen, oh my goodness. Yeah, we talked about so much stuff. I'm so happy you made it. There's a lot of symptoms. I hope you've been feeling well. A lot of people have been feeling a lot of things in the collective lately. Really appreciate you. There has been massive stuff. So there's been an M8 solar flare. That's almost an X, by the way. That's directly facing us from sunspot 4299. And of course, a little bit of activity on the Schumann. A 7.0 earthquake in Canada, really close to Alaska and Washington, like in between the border. New 3i Atlas images. Yes, a lot of things. High solar winds. There's been a lot of things going on. It's pretty crazy, you know. There's been like 50 earthquakes there. It's actually crazy. It's been like about 12 of them in Alaska the last hour. I'm assuming you'll probably rewind the stream. Here, let me show you. Let me show you real quick. Just then I'm gonna probably end this stream. All right, so here is okay, here's Alaska. You zoom in, quite a bit of earthquakes. Then you look over here. This is all next to Alaska, right above Washington. Look at all these earthquakes. This is a 7.0. This is insane. This is like almost like 50. Pretty crazy. So things are definitely getting intense right now. And I know people are definitely feeling it right now. Alright, I pretty much put all the information out there. If anyone's, if you're gonna rewind it, that'd be nice. I appreciate you showing up. Thank you so much. And yeah, I'm probably gonna be doing a live stream probably Sunday, tomorrow, and Monday as well. So thank you all so much. Thanks everybody. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I got a lot of videos coming. That are different and unique. I probably got I want to make a Schumann resonance recap the last 5 years. I want to do probably some other videos as well. I'm definitely going to do a new moon video. 2026 video, like a lot of stuff this month. So it's going to get crazy. Well, it's going to get crazy, but I got a lot of videos. Thank you all so much and have a good night. Thank you.